It's human nature to feel jealous when we see someone else succeeding, especially if it's something we've been working hard for and haven't yet achieved. But these emotions will only hold you back from achieving your own success. Welcome to Epic State, your home for money, mindset, and motivation. The first step is to stop and think why you're getting jealous in the first place. There are a few possible explanations. Maybe you're jealous because you feel like you're not good enough, or that you'll never be as successful as the other person. Or maybe you're afraid that their success will take away from your own. Whatever the reason, jealousy is a normal emotion, and there's no need to feel guilty or ashamed of it. However, if you find that you're feeling jealous more often than not, then you need to start working on overcoming it. In this video, we'll discuss the dangers of jealousy and how you can overcome it to achieve your goals. Number 1. Operate from a place of abundance. One of the best ways to stop resenting other people's success is to operate from a place of abundance. When you feel like there's enough success to go around, you're less likely to be jealous of someone else's accomplishments. Instead, you'll be happy for them and motivated to achieve your own goals. One way to cultivate a sense of abundance is to focus on your own personal definition of success. What does success mean to you? What are your unique goals and aspirations? When you stay focused on your own vision, it's easier to feel confident and motivated, instead of resentful and envious. So if you want to stop resenting other people's success, try to operate from a mindset of abundance and an inner belief that there's plenty to go around. Number 2. Stop comparing yourself to other people. You are on your own path. You are not them and they are not you. Comparing yourself to others is like driving down the highway while staring at the car in the next lane. It's distracting, dangerous, and a recipe for disaster. Some people are naturally gifted and have more advantages than others. That doesn't mean that their success is any less valid than yours. If you want to be successful, you need to focus on your own journey and forget about what everyone else is doing. Stop comparing yourself to other people and start working on your own goals. Number 3. Look at the big picture. Whether it's a colleague at work who gets a promotion or a friend who always seems to be posting pictures of their amazing vacations, it's natural to start comparing ourselves to others and feel like we're falling behind. But instead of letting envy take over, try to take a step back and look at the big picture. We all have different goals and dreams, and just because someone else is achieving theirs doesn't mean that we're any less worthy of achieving our own. Besides, even if someone appears to have everything figured out, chances are they are dealing with their own challenges that we know nothing about. So next time you start feeling resentful of someone else's success, remind yourself that everyone is struggling in their own way. You may find you're actually succeeding in many more areas than they are. Number 4. Create your own definition of success. For some people, success is measured by how much money they have in the bank. For others, it might be about how many vacation days they can take in a single year. And for some, it might simply be about having a happy and healthy family. Whatever your definition of success is, make sure that it's something that you're working towards and that's achievable. If you're constantly comparing your own life to someone else's, you'll always find yourself coming up short. So focus on your own journey and be grateful for the success that you do achieve, big or small. Number 5. Don't judge what's fair. We often start to look at other people and wonder why they have what we want and we don't. We think it's not fair. But the truth is, life isn't always fair. And judging what is fair only leads to resentment and bitterness. Also, just because someone else has had more success than you, doesn't mean they don't deserve it. They've likely worked just as hard to get to where they are, just like you're working hard to get to where you want to be. Remember that success is relative. What might seem like an enormous accomplishment to someone else might not seem like that much to you, and vice versa. So stop comparing your accomplishments or lack thereof to others. Compare them to your own personal standards. As long as you are moving forward and making progress, then that's all that matters. With that said, we've come to the end of today's video. If you found value in it, then please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly money, mindset, and motivation. Until next time.